In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit code in Lovable Dev. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your project from the Lovable dashboard, jump into the connected GitHub repository, and make quick edits right in your browser with confidence. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Lovable Dev. When the results load, choose the official Lovable Dev site. A quick tip here. Double-check the URL to be sure you're heading to the genuine platform before you sign in. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button and click it. Sign in with your usual account. If your organization uses extra security, like two-factor authentication, complete that as prompted so you can access your workspace. After you're in, you'll land on the Lovable home screen. Look for the Projects area. Depending on your layout, this may appear prominently on the main page or within a sidebar. This is where you'll find everything you're working on. You'll typically see either a list of your recent projects or a grid of all your applications. This layout helps you jump back into active work quickly, but you can also scan the full grid to pick a different app if needed. Take a moment to confirm the project name and icon so you open the right one. On the project card, find the three dots in the corner. That opens a context menu with additional actions. It's a small but powerful menu that gives you quick shortcuts without diving into extra pages. Choose Open in New Tab. Opening in a new tab helps you keep the dashboard available so you can easily switch between projects or return to the overview without losing your place. In the project view, look to the top right for the GitHub icon and click it. This button links you directly to the repository behind your application, so you can review and edit code tied to this project. Select View in GitHub. You'll be routed to the repository page in GitHub, where you can browse directories, review files, and open the code you want to change. If you're unsure where to start, the README file often provides helpful context. Choose the file you want to edit and click it to open. From here, you can type, delete, and save code much like you would in a desktop editor. Use the in-browser editor to make your changes, and when you save, GitHub will ask for a brief message describing what you changed. Keep that message clear and specific, since it becomes part of your project history. That's it. You searched for Lovable Dev, signed in, opened your project, jumped to GitHub, and edited your code directly in the browser. Thanks for watching, and happy building.